leaking. Look at the wet stuff.
Yeah, I know, we need to get that clean. See that net there? I'm going to make a house for her for a meanwhile, and then I'm going to put over the inside there, the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna sew this. That's my new things for Julie. You want to see Julie's butt? She need to away from them. She couldn't eat their pellets. She's on diet because see her bent. We have get medicine in it. That's her place there.
No, I think when she's leaving.
And then I put the.
Too much.
Hmm.
And something, I don't know, there's something.
Stop, it's too.
The water there and the food is an eggshell. Okay, so I'm going to put that over there. You couldn't feed her up. You couldn't feed her up their own pellets because we need to stop her lying for a while until her butt is get better. Okay, so she's going there. She's going.
I can't push it up that much.
Hello. You can see her butt sit up there.
Make sure you don't knock over.
Okay.
Oh, the food is going to be too cold.
That's it. That's it. No. Okay. No.
That's going to be home.
You're gonna be there for a while. Hmm? Good girl. Hmm? She's gonna be there for a while.